How to download InShot on PC or laptop. So if you want to download InShot for PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser. And under browser, you just need to simply go with search and search for InShot for PC. And here you will have an option of InShot.com, or you'll have InShot for PC. So you just need to simply go with it, or just go with the first option. And once you go with first, which is InShot.com, here you will get this kind of interface where you can install it on your Google Play, Apple Store, or App Gallery. Or what you can do is just simply go with Get InShot, which is on the upper right, and you may have the install option. But if you don't have it right here, then what you need to do is just simply go back, and here you'll have download InShot for PC or laptops, Windows, Macs, and iOS. Just click on it, and here you will have an option of InShot for PC download. Just simply click on it. Once you click on it, it will start the downloading process. Make sure that you've clicked the option of for PC, which will be on the upper right. So you'll have all of the websites that will provide you. So just simply go with any one of these websites and then simply click on download, and it will start the downloading process. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.